Good afternoon, traders. My name is Okoyeocha, wishing you for the land of rising sun. If this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I want to make an important announcement. Very soon, maybe for next year, if God keeps us alive, I believe He will keep us, I will likely stop making weekly videos. The reason is this. My work is not being appreciated. And from every indication, it seems that people are not benefiting from it, or people don't want it. And I want to remind those who started watching my videos, maybe last year or thereabouts, my reason for making these weekly videos, and my reason for having mentorship program. My reason to having mentorship program and making this video is to help the youths, those who are struggling to find source of income, mostly my African brothers. You know, Africa is rich in resources, but poor because of management. Our leaders are bad. They're not doing anything good. So because of that, the youth are suffering. And the only way, or one of the ways I can help in helping them is to give them knowledge through making money online. And one of the surest way to make money online is through trading, forex trading, though not easy. And for this reason, I have a mentorship program. For this reason, I charge very low. I spend more than $5,000 learning forex from those who don't have knowledge, from those who have knowledge. To cut it short, but I charge only $500, and it is once. It is once you pay it once, because I know many people cannot afford the thousands. Secondly, YouTube, my YouTube page is not monetized. So I'm not making money on YouTube. I'm making money trading forex. Why am I saying all this? I will make a video. I will have maybe 200 views, 400 views, 1 like, 2 like, 3 comments. It means people don't like it, because if you like it, at least they're not difficult in clicking like or saying thank you for this or good night or making a comment. You watch and go, seems you don't care. So it seems I'm working in vain. So if I'm wrong, from this video, I begin to have much view, much comment, much like. If it continues to be 2 likes, 5 likes, 2 comments, I will stop making weekly videos. Maybe I'll be making monthly videos, because I'm making it to help people. Whether I make it or not, I'm making money. Whether I have students or not, I'm making money. So why should I be bothering myself? I'm making videos every week when people don't appreciate it. So if you want this weekly video to continue, you have to share it. I want to have more views. That's where you can. That's where you can encourage me. I want to have more subscribers. If you share my videos, comment, YouTube will run it for others. Then I'll have more subscribers, more views, more share, more comments, so that I will be encouraged. If not, maybe by next year I'll be making monthly videos. Yes, why am I saying this? If you are an Elliott Wave student or trader, you notice that there are people who don't do weekly videos again, maybe because of the same situation. I watch other people's video. Yes, I do. Sometimes I watch other people's video. There are people who don't make videos again weekly. Because why? Attitude of the viewers, they just watch and go, and they're making money from the publication. So it's up to you, my viewers. If I will continue it, it's up to you. If I won't, it's up to you. Or maybe I will find a way to be publishing to my subscribers alone. I mean, those on my VIP channel, I have VIP group, I have Telegram groups, free one and VIP one. The VIP is for those who try my mentorship. You will be learning and you will be trading as well. So that's number one. Number two, this video will be a bit longer because somebody made a request that you want to see some higher time frame, that is daily, 4 hours, which I don't do every week. I will do it now. Next week, I won't do it. So I'll be showing you daily charts. So having said this, I tell you about the buyers. You are free to like, you are free to not to like. But if you don't like, if you don't comment, it seems that I'm wasting my time. So I don't take with my time. So preparing this video to show you, the video might be 30 minutes to 5 minutes, but it takes hours to prepare. It takes hours to prepare. So it's energy and time I'm putting in. The only way you can appreciate is to share, like, subscribe, ask questions, join my Telegram channel. If you're a youth and you are making money, why not join my Telegram, my students, and learn? Or do you prefer to answer somebody, my boss, and you can be fired at any time? Don't you want to be your own boss? Having said that, DSY is where I start all the time, and this is daily chat on DSY. So now there's a question here on DSY. If you take a look, you can see our target is this reversal zone. Our reversal zone is between 99.94 to 97. This is our reversal zone. The markets haven't entered our reversal zone. So for this daily chart, whether it will enter our reversal zone, let us check 4 hours or maybe 1 hour. So, but I can see what I projected, that this is A, B, C. So once it came to this place, I expect it to come up again to 108, 109, 110 before going down to 90 zone. So let's go down to 4 hours. You can see we still have chance. 4 hours, the way it is moving, the possibility for it to still come into our reversal zone is still there. I was stop looking for it coming lower. If it breaks this place, if it goes back to 101.8 and break it, then I will assume that it's have ended at 100.222. But for now, I still expect it to go lower. Okay, so that's what I have on DXY. Okay, so that is it. I want to see it go lower, maybe 99, 99.98, 99, before it will reverse, or before it's correct and still go lower. So that's for DXY. For USD card, the same situation. I want to see it go lower. You can see my target that it will make an ABC. Maybe it will enter this zone 1.35 to 1.353 to 1.356. Before it will begin to go down again, or it may truncate. We're making opens. It may not enter again. It may begin to go down from here. Then if it begin to go down from here, when it comes to below 1.345, you can now sell. If you cannot sell from here, once here is broken, you sell. So let me now show you daily for those who want to see the daily chart. The daily chart remains. I showed you this more than 2 months ago, maybe early this month, that I expect it to come to this zone. So USD card, I want to see it complete this WXY 1.32 to 1.2929 is the target zone. Whether it will truncate, I don't know, but for now, as you can see, it's still coming down. So that's for USD card. USD chef, quickly USD chef. I'm also looking at a kind of, this looks like an ending diagonal. It's near to the reversal zone, but I think if USD card is selling, this one we equally see it. We equally see it enter this reversal zone before going up. Okay, that's for daily charts. Let's go down to 1 hour on USD chart. On 1 hour, you can see what you have here. On 1 hour, it has broken this pattern. Above this pattern, it looks like triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So it's triangle, not look like it's triangle, but I didn't label it. So it's now, I'm looking for another drop, something inside this reversal zone. So USD CHF is still selling, USD JPY, sorry, USD card is still selling, DSY is still selling, dollar index is still selling. Let's USD is still buying. I need to continue to buy towards this zone, 1.126 to 1.135 is the reversal zone. And going to work daily as I promised. On daily, you can see what we are expecting. Once the correction has completed, we will see a big selling. Okay, at least once the market corrects to the zone I show you on 1 hour time frame, I expect it to come to 1.04 or at least 1.07, 1.06, 1.04, even 1.02. Before then, we now look for it to buy again. Okay, USD. So the pounds USD. Pounds USD. Remember, my bias is that this is either a running flat or expanding flat forming. But since it's daily chart, it takes time to validate. So for now, it is still buying. Let me show you. Once it's having broken this place, 1.3316, it is 1.3312, still buying. But once it breaks this place, I need to look for sell. So for now, going down to 4 hours, I expect it to, okay, let me just go down to 1 hour. Go down to 1 hour, I expect it to drop to this zone, 1.335, 1.331 zone. Then it will be buy again. Maybe that will be the last buy we will get before we get the big dropping I'm expecting. So if you bought it, be careful because if you look at where you may give back your profits. So USD is buying. So this thing you see here is an assumption, is a forecast. So don't say that I said that it will come to 0.68366. No, it's a forecast. This thing can just continue going up from here. But I see it as an ABCD coming. I see that an A, B, C coming. So the ABC can be a running flat. The ABC can be an expanding flat. Or it would even be an ABC. It can form something else like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe ending diagonal. So, but this is not the case. The case is that we have a very nice setup waiting for us on AUD USD and using the USD on daily. You can see daily charts. There's a very big room for upside. You can see we have a very big room for upside. So it's one of the best trades you will take for now to the end of the year to continue to buy. Maybe you may see 0.8. You may see 0.8 before the end of the year, at least 0.76, 0.75. So it is the buying market, maybe the opposing time is buying. Using the USD is also buying. You can see the daily charts. This is number one. This is one. This is two. So this is another one. This is another two. So it's picking. You can see it. It's broken this channel and still going up. So you go to 1 hour and take your trade. Okay. Every USD and USD, I expect something similar. I expect another ABC to form. Remember, I said not a must that it will form, but that's what I'm expecting. A running flat, even if it doesn't form, just know that the market is buying. Even if you buy it from here, though I don't advise people to buy from the top, but know you that it will buy. It is buying. Secondly, it can make a double correction. It can drop to this place, do something like this, drop again before continue buying. So don't be confused if such a thing happens. In order to help you on where to put our stop loss, if the market if you want decide to make a deep correction, stop loss here might hit. So for that reason, I prefer to put stop loss here. And remember, if you're watching my video, I don't like trading where stop loss is far. I don't tell you where stop loss is far. But you know, I cannot tell you everything on field analysis. If you are my student, you have known by now how we get our set up, how we get our price set up, and trade it with stop loss not being too wide. Okay, so that one I can't give it to you free. Okay, so JP225 is selling. The point now is after this big drop, what next? Are we getting a bigger correction as an expanding flat A, B, C, or running flat A, B, C? So which one will happen? I don't know. I don't know what happened tomorrow, but I know that the market is selling. Maybe let me show you daily again, but I don't think showing daily is necessary. But see it. We will likely be getting a big drop. A big drop cannot be ruled out. This can be with A, can be with A, B, C with B, then with C. So if you see to 9,000, to 10,000, to 7,000, don't be surprised. That's what I'm expecting. I have entered the sell. If I enter sell, I won't be in a haste to close it. That's the way to make money first is to take advantage, to take opportunity. When you see an opportunity on daily 4 hours, take it. Stop scalping, wasting your time, taking 40 pips profit. And market will move 70 pips, 70 pips, and they're taking 40 pips, 30 pips, 20 pips. To me, that's not trading. But everybody trades according to his own knowledge or trading style. I'm a swing trader, and I am happy I won. JPY, same situation, will it give us this deep correction or a shallow one? I don't know. But it's expected to give us correction. And you can see daily again, A, B, C. So we are getting with A, with B, then with C is already started. So the question is, when are you joining? Is up to you to be watching USDJPY, same situation with A, with B. When are you joining with C? That's the question, because that's where we make a lot of money. Meanwhile, let me say this. For some years now, or maybe 2 years now, or 1 year now, yen pays keep making a kind of strange correction. Please, this can be a whole correction. It's possible, but maybe 5%. That is the fact. Okay, or maybe I'm expecting this to happen like this, but it may just come to this channel and bounce back and begin to buy. But even if it will happen, you must be on profit, and your trade will be on break even already. So there's no cause for alarm. I'm saying this, if market said to change, people will come and say that you said this will happen and it won't happen. What I'm doing is forecast. I don't control the market. What I'm doing is forecast. But what have been happening, I project. I predict what will happen next. I don't control the market, please. Know this and know peace. So, and if you join my class, I teach you to do what I do, so that you always be at an advantage. Can we get this? I don't know, but I know we're gonna get correction. How deep it will be, I don't know. Once the APY, this situation, I want to see an ABC towards 192.9, 193.5, then a big sell-off. Let me show you daily again. You can see what we're expecting. The drop to 168 have started. The drop for 168 have started. So the question remains, when are you joining? That one is a question you answer yourself. Gold. Gold is buying, and I cannot explain gold now on daily, but know that gold is still buying. Gold is still buying. I don't know. Let me just go to 101. So now, gold. Last week, I said that gold will reverse in this box. It moved a little higher than this box. That's not bad. And it seems to be reversing. Now, the question is, anyway, I think we're going to get this. We're going to get this before we get a bigger correction. But it can continue to drop from here. It can continue to drop from here. So whichever one is happening, I would advise you not to buy gold from here. Allow it to, if this will happen, allow it to happen. Then when this happens, you don't buy again. Trading well is trading, knowing when to enter and when to exit. It's very important in trading. But then if you must buy gold, let your stop loss be here. So that if it goes against you, then you won't lose much. If you must buy gold, you buy it now, because this looks like an ABC. This is like an ABC. What I say, so it looks like an ABC. It can turn to be a leading diagonal. What's the leading diagonal? It can turn to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before buying. So that's why I said if you must buy gold, let your stop loss be here, because this is an ABC, which is a point that another bullish move has started. Okay. Silver. Silver and gold. I prefer to buy silver if it drop to this zone. If it drop to this zone, 31.6, 30.69, I will buy. The stop loss will be here. But if it doesn't drop to this zone, I will ignore it until I see a better setup. Okay? I'll close my silver and gold open position. I'll close them. I'm waiting for another opportunity to buy. Meanwhile, silver, let me show you daily. Silver is still buying. Gold is still buying. Silver, my target for daily is 33 to 35. 33.8 to 30.8 to 35.2 is my target. Once it comes to this zone, I'll be looking for a big correction. Maybe something bigger than this. But for now, let's focus on what is happening on lower time frame for the final push on silver. Platinum, nothing much to explain. As long as it doesn't break this low, because when this was happening, I was thinking maybe to make a new low, but once it broken this channel, no new lower than this. It is a buy position. So let me show you daily. Sorry, 101. Now you can see we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Meanwhile, this wave 4 can be a double correction. We wait wave 4 here, wave 5 before A, B, C, before buying. So if it drops to this place from here, then I don't expect it to make another move up down before buying. So if platinum comes to this place of my target, this 984.9, 977.4, I will just buy a little bit for maybe 2 months, because the structure I'm looking at is a swing. It will be a sweet swing trade. I didn't. Okay, now let me say something. Let me say something. You know why I say that I don't control the market? Let me say something. Last week or last 2 weeks, I made a post. I don't know whether here or at my Telegram channel. I shared a post. Where is it? Oh my God! I didn't see it again. There was a market. A market I shared that it will buy from here. Then it didn't work. It broke. I think. Okay. Yes. That is it. So you always trade with stop loss, because you don't control the market. You are making forecasts, and not the more that it will happen, you are aware. So I was seeing this as A, B, C. Then when this happened, I was expecting a little pullback. I shared that, not what I shared, I bought from here, because I counted it as this an A, B, C, wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. Then it didn't go my way. It broke. No, stop now. This is why I say let us stop loss be low. Do you know where my stop loss was? This is just a free lesson. Then it was here. What was the reason for it to be here? It's because I see this as wave 1. And if it is wave 1 indeed, wave 2 cannot go below wave 1. You can see from here to here, very short stop loss. I didn't feel it. I need to believe that the stop loss was here. Anyway, if it was here, it cannot hit. But I don't like it, because something can come up, maybe news, and you see the market drop very fast. So I don't like risking much. Or maybe it was here. It will still be safe. But I like it to be tight, because I have seen things in this trading. A news can come out, market will move very fast. After dropping, it still go back to where you're going. I think I will show you something on, I think on okay, just allow me to go back. I think on JPY. Let me check. I think JPY. Why I say I don't like my stop loss to be always to be 10 years. So now this is what I'm talking about. Do you see this? This is what news can do. So now let's say you made a trade. Maybe you see this as wave 1, and your stop loss was not here. You put it here. You see that you wasted your money. After this, it went back. But if your stop loss was here, and you think that this is wave 1, this is wave, sorry, if your stop is here, you see this as wave 1 and this wave 2. When this happened, you lose a very little money. So this is one of the reasons I don't like to have a very big stop loss. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so let's go back to where we are. Okay, let's go to oil. I've shown you platinum. Let's go to crude oil. That's where we are now. Crude oil. Crude oil. Daily charts. Remember, maybe last month or thereabout, I showed you so many patterns forming on oil. I showed you so many patterns forming on oil. And then at the end of the day, we have A, B, C, D, E, zigzag. And the oil is on its way to 58.4 to 47.8. here is where oil is headed. And the possibility of it extending to this lower trend line is there, but I don't want to go there. I focus on this reversal zone. Okay, so what are you going to do about oil? I've seen the daily time frame. I've seen what we are getting on oil, the breaking of this channel, and oil is dropping. Go to 1 hour, and enter a sell. I missed selling around here. There was a setup here. I missed it. There was another setup here. I didn't want to take it. I know my reason. I would like to take this. Whether this happened or not. Okay, now let me give you something. One of the ways to trade is that you will so now you see a sell setup or sell stop. Sell stop. If this correction didn't get to this zone and it's decided to drop from here, then your stop loss will be here. Your stop. If you press sell stop, your stop will be here. That is, if we don't get this move up, the stop will be here, then the selling will continue. So for now, stop is here, and target for selling is here. Okay, that's for oil. What again? US 100, NASDAQ. Another buying is loading A, B, C. So I want to see it drop to 19,823 to 19,678. Then it's going to buy again. Nothing to explain. I don't want to go to daily on that one. S500, I expect it to drop a bit. I want it to correct, give us correction, and continue to buy, or maybe a single line correction, and maybe a pullback, and begin to buy again. I need to show you daily on that one. Let's start it. Same thing. I want to see an ABC, then buying continues. DAX, I want to see it. I want to see a pullback or correction, whichever one, and the buying continues. They're all bullish move. No selling signal yet. Down, the same thing. I want to see it. Give me an ABC or a pullback. Buying continues. So I think that's all for now. Yes. I'll not cover this. Let's go to Bitcoin and his younger brothers. Then I'll end the video. Bitcoin and his brothers. Let me go to daily. Someone asked for daily time frame, high time frame on Bitcoin and the trading. So that's why I'm showing you high time frame today. Okay, so now Bitcoin, there's no doubt that I'm saying it that my target on Bitcoin is at 3,000. I was saying it. My target is at 3,000 on Bitcoin. So the buy started here. I don't want to close my buy. I keep moving my stop to break even. So now it is buying. I don't know what I want to see on on high time frame. If you know how to count wave, then it is wave 1, A, B, C, expanding flat. Wave 2, wave 3 is developing. Maybe it will hit this place, make a pullback, break it, make a correction, and keep going. So 3,000 is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to land. So this is expanding flat for those who can understand wave count. I don't want to label it yet. So let me go to 1 hour to find a way you can trade it, you can join. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame. So I want to see it come up higher. After coming up higher, we will get a deeper correction before the buy. Meanwhile, if it doesn't go higher, I begin to correct from here. Then remember that it will make a deeper correction. Then you can buy. Not the most that this can happen. This fifth wave might have ended here. Okay. But I see no need to buy now. Allow it to finish the movement, give us correction. Meanwhile, this we consider a shallow correction. Why do I take this way anyway? Let me just save my energy. Ethereum. Ethereum is lagging. If you see Bitcoin daily charts, you know that Ethereum is lagging. And the lagging is an advantage for those who cannot understand. You know, Bitcoin have gone very far, but Ethereum is lagging. That lagging is a blessing to those who can understand. So now the buying have started. So this is wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is developing. So I don't know what to explain here again. Okay, I didn't project for Ethereum. Or maybe I didn't project, but Ethereum is heading to 4.5, 4.7, 4.8 to 5,000. That's where Ethereum is heading to. Target 4.5, but that's where Ethereum will likely land. As Bitcoin is hitting at 3,000, Ethereum might be hitting 4,000, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. So 1 hour, I expect it to give me another move up. Another move up. A kind of, for those who know wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be what we call ending diagonal. Ending diagonal. After that, A, B, C. Then buying. I don't know what to explain again. I'm telling you. Litecoin. Well, Litecoin, I want to see it drop again. Give me an A, B, C. Maybe 6 to 64. Then we buy again. Oh, then let me check daily. Litecoin is also lagging, but if you can see, it's a broken channel. Once the channel is broken, hope of trend continuation is increasing. So go back to 1 hour. Let us see it's correct. Then we go back. Meanwhile, we may not see this deep correction. Please note, we may see something like this, and it goes up. So this is like double correction. This is like a double correction. So not a must that it will happen. So what do I expect it is this. What of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It is what it call leading diagonal. Then if it didn't go lower, it means that wave 5 haven't finished. Okay, so that's for that coin. BNB, and I'll call it a day. This video is almost 42 minutes, so I said it will take time. BNB, same thing. Let me show you daily first. BNB expected to go higher, 700, 800, 850 at long run. So I think to explain further that as Bitcoin is going up, all of them are going up. This is wave 1, wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. It will keep going. So that's all. The only surprise we can get is that we may get a deeper move. That's what we call running flat as wave 2. That's wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but I don't expect that, because I don't see it happening on BTC. So if it doesn't happen on BTC, it's likely not happen on others. So 1 hour time frame, I want to see BNB dropping to 573, 562 before it begins to buy. Okay, so thank you for watching. God bless you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. As I said earlier, you want to continue watching my, if you are getting values from my weekly video, show it. If you don't show it, I stop it. I'll be making monthly video. After all, YouTube doesn't pay me. I don't care. I'm just trying to help. I'm just trying to help. That's the truth. Okay.